Hey guys, today we're going to be testing some new Mco makeup, or at least some things that are new to me. So I'm very excited. I do quite like Mcobeauty, so I'm excited to try some new products from them, like some ones that I haven't tried before. So I've got a couple of things here. I don't quite have enough for a full face, but anyway. But before we do anything, we're going to try this out. This is the Glow and Treat 2-in-1 lip treatment. So it says, give your lips the hydration boost and treatment they deserve. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips with Mco 2-in-1 lip treatment. This luxurious lip treatment is enriched with plant-derived squalene to hydrate and nourish, providing instant relief when delivering a rich high shine. It says it's got a high shine lip treatment, instantly hydrates dry lips, rich glass-like finish and lightweight texture. So let's do it. Mine's in the shade Peach. I do quite like my Mco lip products. I use my little, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like the lip balm or lip conditioner thing every day. The one that's meant to be like a dupe of the Summer Fridays one. I do really enjoy that. Let's give it a go. Can't smell any peach yet, but okay. I do like it. I think the applicator's weird. So because it's got 3 roller balls, it's like a bit messy. I feel like because it's like a lip treatment, it doesn't matter as much, but like it's hard to, like I feel like the applicator's just a bit weird. Like the 3 roller balls doesn't really work, and it's like hard to kind of get a nice, like precise application. I don't know if you can see like how it kind of just looks like I've smothered my lips in it, but anyway, whatever, that's fine. So this is going to be the next thing that we try out. This is the Hydrate and Glow Ultra Dew Serum infused with niacinamide, watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. So it says a triple threat skincare makeup hybrid for dreamy glass skin. Mco Hydrate and Glow Dew Serum is a 3-in-1 skincare makeup infusion to instantly enhance a radiant looking complexion. The lightweight non-sticky gel serum seamlessly absorbs into skin for a lit from within dewy finish without any shimmer or mica. Infused with skin loving ingredients including niacinamide to refine skin texture, even out skin tone and minimize the appearance of blemishes, plus watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid to brighten the skin and keep it looking plump. Hydrated and bouncy. Use this versatile serum alone as part of your skincare routine or as a primer before makeup. So yeah, I am going to, it says you can either use 1 to 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine or before makeup application, but I feel like the whole like dewy skin thing sounds so nice to me, so we're going to be using it before our makeup today. Okay, I'm pretty sure they have changed the bottle of this now because I don't know if they got in trouble. I feel like I saw like that brands are kind of cracking down on dupes. I did wonder how brands were getting away with it. Don't get me wrong, I do love a dupe, and I do think that some of these makeup brands charge such an enormous price tag just because they can, and then you see products come out that are very similar, that work very similar for a fraction of the price. So I do love a good dupe, but I do also understand that there's like a dupe and then there's literally copy and pasting a product, and regardless of who you are, I guess it would be annoying to have your product completely ripped off. So I think they still make this product, but yeah, it's just in a different bottle now because this one literally looks so similar to the Glow Recipe one. This is the tinted one of the Glow Recipe, but like, girl, they're like more related than my eyebrows today. So anyway, let's give it a go. I'm very excited. It does smell really, really nice. It does feel very like serumy. It's very lightweight. I just was picking all of my skin before we started this video. That was a really silly choice. It smells very nice. It's like a very, obviously it's like watermelon scented, but yeah, it smells really good. So okay. Yeah, I do definitely see the glass skin claim. It's not as intense as other like glass skin things that I've tried, but it is very nice, and I feel like it's going to look really, really nice because we're going to use our Mco Flawless Glow over the top. So I feel like these 2 products are going to look very nice together. Let's put our Mco Flawless Glow over the top, and then I'm also going to use my Instant Erase concealer from them as well. I honestly really enjoy this Mco Flawless Glow. One thing I hate is the applicator, and it's the same as the Charlotte Tilbury and the Clinique. Just give me a pump, okay? I do not need these big spoon thingy. Like, just give me a bite. I'm really into like fresh glowy makeup at the moment. I just feel like it looks so nice. I'm just loving a good healthy glow. I've been doing that so much lately, getting heaps of product in my eyebrows. Like, I don't even know how many do you have? I have to say, I feel like this looks really, really nice. It just looks very like healthy and glowy and dewy, so I'm very happy with that. I'm upset about my eyebrow though, but we can fix that, that's fine. I really wish that I wore makeup on the daily, because I would definitely wear something like this. Like, I feel like it's just such a nice little like enhancement for your skin, you know? Okay, let's quickly fix this brow. I'm just gonna take the Precisely My brow, just like colour over it. It's not perfect, it looks like I've put a slit through my eyebrow. Oh well, it'll do. Alright, just gonna conceal it and then we'll get into the powder. Cute. Okay, now we're going to try this. This is the Loose Powder Cool and Set Skincare Infused Loose Powder, Cooling Touch on the Skin, Soft Focus and Blurring Effect, Seamless and Shine Free Complexion. I feel like this is giving a lot of like claims. So it says, with lid on, turn upside down to release powder into the net. Carefully remove the lid. Gently press a powder brush, powder puff or makeup sponge lightly on top of the net. Pick up powder and apply directly to face. Sweep powder over T-zone or any areas where you want to reduce shine. Apply lid after each use to prevent the formula from drying out. So I am going to use this as like under eye setting powder. So packaging, pretty cute. I feel like this is going to be similar to the She Glam thing that we tried out. Oh, this thing's going to be a pain to get out. Right, that cap was so annoying to get off there. Wow, it is super cooling. So yeah, it's kind of similar to that She Glam one. You can really see the difference, so I do appreciate that. Just gonna quickly go for my concealer. It's been sitting for a bit. It's got like an odd scent. I can't tell what it smells like. It's weird though. Like, it's not bad, but just like an odd scent for makeup. Okay, I actually kind of like that. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's actually quite nice. Like, it is very blurring and stuff. Yeah, I actually do quite enjoy that. Cute! Okay, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face, and then I will be back and we're gonna try out a setting spray and some lips. Now it's time to set the face. I've got two setting sprays, but the one I think I'm gonna take is this. This is the Hydrate and Glow. We'll stay with the like hydrating glowy theme. So this is the Ultra Fine Mist infused with hyaluronic acid and watermelon extract, and this is meant to be a dupe of the Glow Recipe one as well. So it says it's formulated with natural extracts to hydrate skin, set and refresh makeup with a dewy finish. Fresh burst of watermelon scent, contains light reflecting particles for unbeatable glow. So let's give it a go. That smells so nice. Love that. Let's have a look. I feel like my skin's looking like pretty decent. Like, I don't mind it at all. Let's get on to some lips. So I have two lip pencils here. I have Very Shelly and Cheeky Chat. So I'm going to swatch them and decide what one we're going to use today. Okay, so that there is Cheeky Chat. Guys, they almost look identical. That one there is Very Shelly. Okay, I guess just so confused. Like, they look like very different shades on the bottom of the actual things, but on my hand they look almost identical. Anyway, let's just put this one on. I'm gonna go with Very Shelly. Okay, I think I need to take this lip stuff off first. Okay, I'm gonna have to sharpen it because I feel like it's not sharp enough. I feel like it's almost quite, I don't know. I think I love that shade. Like, I thought it was gonna be, looks absolutely nothing like the swatch, but anyway, the last thing I wanted to try out was the Hot Lip Plump. This is in the shade Fancy, and I think this is meant to be a dupe of the Fenty one. So here we have the finished look. Let's talk. This I didn't mind. I liked the actual product. I just think the rollerball thing is really weird. Like, it just made for a very like messy application. It smells really nice though, and it felt really nice on the lips. But yeah, I feel like it was just a weird applicator. Actually really liked this. This was probably one of my favorite things that we tried today. I feel like it did make my skin look very glowy and that very like glass-like skin, and I love that. So very happy with her. And I actually did really enjoy the setting spray. Sorry, not the setting spray, the setting powder. Like, I feel like my under eyes look pretty good. Sometimes they can look absolutely terrible. So yeah, I feel like I'm pretty happy with that. And I liked the little cooling effect thing. I think it's fun. The setting spray was nice. I feel like I'd need to use it a bit more. Like, I don't notice anything like groundbreaking about it so far. But as for the lip products, yeah, I don't know. I feel like these two swatches are so similar. I bought one and then one came in the advent calendar. And as for the Hot Lip Plump, like, I feel like the lip combo actually looks okay, but they're probably just not my favorite lip products. I do actually quite like the Hot Lip Plump. I feel like I can feel the slightest tingle on my lips, and I feel like it is making my lips look a little bit plump, but don't love the lip liner. So anyway, that was everything. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye!